Hey you, it's Jess here and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a May kit lineup, the planner kits I'm using in my May memory planner. Things have moved around a bit because it's snowing most of next week, the end of April. And I was supposed to have a spring cleaning kit this week, but I also have a lot of work to do and it's been snowing, so it's not the best time to do spring cleaning. So I've moved things around a bit. So for the last week of April through to May 5th, I am going to be using Elgato from Scribble Prints Co. It's just a reformat of some spring coffee shop art that I did a while ago. I love this reformat because of the pinks and browns. It's just really soft, and I thought actually this could move into May because May has those feelings. Love the pink grid. So, super pretty and light, and I love a coffee shop set. And I'm gonna go, well, for me, this is a gamble, but I'm gonna use the chocolate foil from SPC in the Confetti 2.0 because we have, like, the colors have a lighter brown in them, but there's this darker brown throughout, especially in like the chocolate and woods. And I thought that would just continue on with like the soft pink and brown look. So you can see here. I don't know, I'm thinking about it, but yeah, I think it'll look cute. Like it'll make it look a little bit more monochromatic in the coloring and not stand out too much. Because otherwise I felt like, I suppose you could do matte bronze with this or gold because there's gold metal throughout. But I thought the brown would make it fun and more monochromatic. And it kind of goes with the brown in this area here, or like this sort of brown. So I don't know, I'm trying it out. I think it'll be nice and it'll be a bit subdued because it's just the confetti design. Won't use too much foil. Plus I have used the chocolate before and I really like the look of it. So that is what we're doing for the last week of April because we've moved things around. And look, because we're not going to Scotland this May for work reasons, I was able to put this kit back into my lineup. I think it was supposed to be in, was it April or in March? I think it was supposed to be in March. So I was able to slot this back in. This is the Crest Press Cyber Monday Mystery Love Yourself. Just really fun. I love the bright colors. Again, I thought it worked in May because of the peach as well in here. Because as you know, in the Erin Condren, it's peach in May. Yeah, and I really did want to use this set this year, so I did keep my original lineup, and then we have another fun foil from Confetti 2 from SPC, and that is the lilac foil. I just thought it went nicely with this sort of the purple kind of look in here. So excited for that one too. Another simple week, but want to let the art and the colors shine, but I feel like having that purple will also add to the look. So then May 13th through the 19th is where I've put in my spring cleaning. Let me actually have a look at my monthly for what I'm doing this week. Yes, I see what's happening this week. I could probably do the spring cleaning in this week. I just have to take it easy. It probably won't be as crazy as last year, but I do still want to like pull our bed apart so we can clean and mop underneath the bed and get it all dusted behind our bed head. And just some deeper cleaning things. Last year I didn't get to really scrub like the doors and stuff, so I want to do that. And then obviously do a lot of work in the kitchen and the bathroom is the main things. And then clean all the baseboards really well too. So I'm not going to do as much as I tried to do last year with my spring cleaning, but yeah, this is where I've moved the set, and I think it still really works in May. And then hopefully the weather will be nice enough by this time that I can wash the balcony windows because they need to be washed. But there's no point washing them if they're about to get snowed on, right? And then I have this mint foil from Planet Choco, which I thought went really well color-wise. especially with this. We got a mix of mint and blue in here, which I thought this is what this mint really goes with. So we have the groovy floral holes, groovy floral. That's the design I basically chose for the set. The date numbers. We got the confetti deco. We got a couple of full boxes. I didn't think I needed a bunch of them. At the bottom washi, we also have a quote box. I'm going to use the beautiful things are never perfect because, you know. And then we have the bougie boxes as well. All in the mint foil, so we've got everything we need there for spring cleaning. And that is the Squeaky Clean kit. Oh, I put the kit in backwards in this next week. May 20th to the 26th, I will be using the Cyber Monday Mystery 2023 from Scribble Prints Co. Love this one so much. I'm so glad I finally get to use it. And I thought it'd be cute, sort of like we have a bunch of homey, self-care, home cleaning, like focusing on yourself kind of kits during May, just as sort of like a beginning of spring pick-me-up. So we have the whole Cyber Monday mystery kit there. And I'm pairing this with Gold Hollow. So I first have a Confetti 2.0 bundle from SPC in the Gold Hollow, and then I got some extras from Planet Choco. I need to go through these because I've got some extras. So I got the groovy full boxes, which I just love the outlines. And I thought it'd just be something simple and let the art shine. We've got the groovy deco. We've got, okay, so I got 2 sets of hole reinforcers, the little piece ones or the check. And I think because we have the check, do we have, wait, none of these patterns are actually the swirly check. I think I'll still go though. I realized I put Argyle in this instead, in smiley faces. So I do actually want to use the peace signs. I mean, I could always use Gold Hollow with something like this in the future. Okay, so I'm going to do the peace sign hole reinforcers. And then I had, I bought the matching groovy bottom washi, but then this one came out, the cowgirl, with the disco ball and cowboy hat. And I thought this went with this set, especially if I use this fashion person with the cowboy hat and the sparkly jacket. And I just really love the design. I just think it's so fun. So I think I'm going to use this just to be a bit more whimsical. And again, we can find use for that bottom washi because Gold Hollow is super fun. All right, so that is the foil we're using with it. I think these designs look really cute with it and goes with the aesthetic. All right, so that is the Cyber Monday mystery. And then for the last week of May, which is May 27th to June 2nd, we have a blossoming. Again, keeping with that same theme of like self-care, cleaning, home. This was like some of my spring art for this year. And it kind of has that feel of like self-care and looking after yourself and, you know, stuff like that. Now, I got 2 of the pinks because was I going to replace a color? I don't know what I was going to replace. You see all the colors here. I don't remember anymore what I was doing with the pink, light pink. Oh yeah, I don't remember why I got the light pink. I guess we'll see what I do when it comes up to the week to use it. But I decided I would use Hollow with this because the pink dot foil that I got from Planet Choco just didn't quite match. So I'm using Hollow. And actually I pretty much always prefer sparkly Hollow, but I end up getting everything in Hollow. So that's where we are. But I got the Bloom designs from Planet Choco for this. So I have the cluster deco. I have bougie boxes from SPC. I thought I'd pick out this spring quotes. I thought maybe Flower Power, Hello Spring, or a Fresh Start would be, although June is summer, so it's pretty funny. So I might use Flower Power or maybe a Fresh Start. Sort of fresh start to the year with summer beginning this week, because I just grew up with the calendar seasons. So June 1st is the first day of, is that the first day of summer? That's pretty funny. June, July, August, yeah. Anyway, then I got the Bloom bundle as well from SBC. I just thought these flowers went really well with it. I just thought they were so cute. This flower design. And I just get the 3 pages. I don't get the underlays because they're usually fun delays. So that's why I picked some up from my collection to have the normal bougie. But yeah, I think the holly will be alright with this. It'll also let the art shine as well, because I just love to see the art. I mean, I know it's mine, but I did draw it. Essentially, I draw it for myself a lot of the times. I know blossoming definitely was, but yeah, so I think this will be a good month. I just had to change things around, so the end of April is a little bit different, but I think it came out really well. But that is, oh, this is the monthly I'm using. You would have seen it in the haul. This is just a Press Carnival month for May. So super bright and fun. And hopefully we'll actually get some spring weather this May. But yeah, that's everything. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if we're twinning at all, or even if you're just using some of these kits this month. Are you also going to be doing some spring cleaning in May, or have you already done that? Otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. I love you. Bye-bye.